Get off the train! I know it's not much of a train today, but like I said, any train is better than nothing, though. I was just trying to be funny with the engineer when I said that he lost his train. I think he knew that he was not pulling anything. So, other than that, I want to thank all my new subscribers I got. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Now I'm up to 97 subscribers to my channel. So, I want to thank all 97 of my subscribers. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And I was hoping to hit 100 subscribers soon, so I'm just 3 away from that. So wherever you're watching this from, hope you have a good day, and until I get the next train video,